The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, western Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Walnut Grove to near Red Bay, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Posey Loop, Mount Hope, Atwood, Florence, Northeast Smith, Oakland, Waterloo, Lexington, Tuscumbia, and Underwood-Patersville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until daylight time for north central and northwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, and Lawrence.